Hello friends, I am Chetan Singaria from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. You are watching the lecture series for the subject of Cloud Infrastructure and Services. Let us understand what are the management services provided by AWS. First one is CloudWatch. CloudWatch helps you to monitor AWS environments like EC2, RDS instances and CPU utilization. It also triggers alarms depends on various matrices. Next management service is Cloud Formation. It is a way of turning infrastructure into the cloud. You can use templates for providing a whole production environment in a minute. Third one is CloudTrail. It offers an easy method of auditing AWS resources. It also helps you to log all changes. Fourth one is OpsWorks. This service allows you to automate chief or puppet deployments on AWS environment. Next management service is Config. This AWS service monitors your environment. The tool sends alert about changes when you break certain defined configuration. Next one is Service Catalog. This service helps large enterprises to authorize which services user will be used and which won't. Next one is AWS Autoscaling. This service allows you to automatically scale your resources up and down based on given CloudWatch matrices. Next one is Systems Manager. This AWS service allows you to group your resources. Also, it allows you to identify issues and act on them. Last management service is Managed Service. It offers management of your AWS infrastructure, which allows you to focus on your applications. So friends, these are the management services provided by AWS. Now next service is which is provided by AWS is Internet of Things. In that there are four things. First one is IoT Core, IoT Device Management, IoT Analytics and Amazon Free RTOs. Let us see what is IoT Core. It is a managed cloud AWS service. The service allows connected devices like cars, light bulbs, sensor grids to securely interact with cloud applications and other devices. So this is what IoT Core. Next one is IoT Device Management. It allows you to manage your IoT devices at any scale. Third one is IoT Analytics. This AWS IoT service is helpful to perform analysis on data collected by your IoT devices. Fourth one is Amazon Free RTOs. This real-time operating system for microcontrollers helps you to connect IoT devices in the local server or into the cloud. So friends, these are the Internet of Things services which are provided by Amazon Web Services. Now let us understand what are the application services provided by AWS. In that, first one is step functions. So what is step function? It is a way of visualizing what's going inside your application and what different microservices it is using. Next one is SWF, that is Simple Workflow Service. The service helps you to coordinate both automated tasks and human-led tasks. Third service is SNS, that is Simple Notification Service. You can use this service to send you notifications in the form of email and SMS based on given AWS services. Fourth one is SQS, that is Simple Queue Service. We can use this AWS service to decouple your applications. It is a pool based service. And last one is Elastic Transcoder. This AWS service tool helps you to changes a video's format and resolution to support various devices like tablets, smartphones and laptops of different resolution. So friends, these are the application services provided by AWS. Now let us see what are the deployment and management services provided by AWS. And that first one is AWS CloudTrail. This services records AWS API calls and sends backlog files to you. Next service is Amazon CloudWatch. These tools monitor AWS resources like Amazon EC2 and Amazon RDS DB instances. It also allows you to monitor custom matrices created by users' applications and services. Third one is AWS Cloud HSM. This AWS service helps you to meet corporate, regulatory and contractual compliances requirements for maintaining data security by using the hardware security module, that is HSM appliances inside the AWS environment. So friends, these are the deployment and management services provided by AWS.